Hi all, my name is Petar and I'm a software engineer from Zagreb. And for the past couple of months, I've been working on a startup project, side thing, whatever, called Cyclops. So Cyclops makes Kubernetes much more developer friendly by giving developers UI to actually deploy applications. So how many of you actually have some experience with Kubernetes? Okay, so a lot. Even though, even if you have experience, like handling such configuration files can at some point become like really cumbersome, and in a system of a couple of hundred services, you can easily get lost in in those configurations, and managing those configurations on a large scale of services and developers can become hard and messy. So this is where Cyclops comes in, abstracting that same configuration under a simple and structured UI, where developers can just enter the fields they want to configure their deployments and applications with. So like with this image, you can ask yourself, like, why do I have only 5 of those fields? Well, this UI is rendered through a specific Helm template. So you can basically tell Cyclops how do you want your UI to look like. Like somebody in your organization or a company can just make a Helm chart which defines the templates, values, and all of that stuff, and also defines a schema for the Helm template, which is a like basic Helm thing. So, and based on that schema, Cyclops will render a UI based on your needs and your applications. So now, like backend developers and frontend developers can just focus on coding their applications instead of like focusing on that monstrosity of configuration. So this is what Cyclops looks like from the perspective of viewing your application. It's just like basically Kubernetes dashboard, but we just think this is prettier. But the main thing about Cyclops is this thing where you can just fill a few fields, click through the form, and get your application running. So currently, we started to be an actual startup like a couple of months ago. Like a year ago, we actually had the high-level idea of the product. And now we have a finished MVP and would like to collect some feedback from the community and actually get some alpha testers. And this is where you come in, so you can help us like with the feedback and stuff. So this would be much appreciated. So yeah, that's basically it. I just had a couple of minutes, but here's our page and the open source GitHub repository, so you can check it out, what it actually is. So yeah, if you want to know more, we can talk outside, or you can ask questions now.
Thank you, Petar. Do we have any question? I guess we are okay. If you, in case you want to talk more, we still have some time.
Yeah, I mean,
because we don't have any other lightning talk after
yeah,
you.
So I hope I managed to explain it. If you want me to explain it without the pressure of speaking at a conference, we can speak outside or something. So
yeah, sure.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Okay, then we are good. Thank you.